I've been in business for over 14 years, and so far I've built 8 profitable businesses and have generated over $500 million for my clients. Thousands of people have asked me so many times to be their mentor, coach, or consultant. However, my time is limited and I simply cannot service every single person. So I've decided to put everything I know alongside my co-author into one book, which compressed all of our business knowledge. And in this video today, I'm going to share everything with you. All I want from you is to take a pen and paper, listen carefully, and take notes, because we are going to have actionable steps at every single lesson. These will give you the necessary tools to start, run, manage, and thrive within your career and business. Here's a brief of what we're going to talk about in today's video, where we talk about the 7 levels of business excellence. So level 0 is, and I start numbering at 0 because I'm an engineer. Level 0 are your first days in business. This is where we agree on correct principles, have correct perspectives on what managing a successful career and a team and a business mean. And this is where we talk about protecting yourself legally, having good contracts in place, and so on and so forth. After that, we go into level 1, which is where we draw the blueprint, which is where we agree on the vision, which is where we determine what direction we're going into. Level 2 is laying the ground rules. This is where we set up exactly how business is going to be run. Remember, we play everything like a game. We grow in levels, and when we see everything like a game, then we can set the rules for the game. So level 2 is where we set the rules for the game that we are going to play in business. Level 3 is where we empower our team. We'll talk about all of the strategies necessary to give your team enough authority and enough competence to do everything they need to do without your constant supervision. Then we move on to level 4, where we talk about building a lasting culture, where we talk about having people literally enjoy their work, literally come to work if you're at an office, or log on, thinking about the cool things that they're going to do that day. After that, we're going on to level 5, which is where we focus on looking at the right numbers in your business. And we found most businesses are lacking when it comes to measuring every single number that matters, and so we're going to dive a little bit deeper into that today. And finally, we have level 10. Notice we jump from 5 to 10 because 10 is basically staying 10 steps ahead. This is where you need to be mentally to see, where is my industry going, where is my team headed, where am I headed, what's the competition doing, and so on and so forth. So this is where we put ourselves into being 10 steps ahead and let our team do the amazing work that they do on a day-to-day, so that we can all grow towards our vision. It doesn't matter if you're a manager, a director, or even the owner of the business itself. You will get all of the tools you need to basically manage everything and grow to the maximum of the potential that you guys can have as a unit, or with everyone that you can bring in the future, and we'll talk about that later, to get the results that you ultimately want as a company.